Hi there, students. A stratum, two strata, or you could say stratums plural as well. Although, be careful with this word because very often people say a strata, and that's wrong. Strata are plural. Okay, a stratum is simply means a layer. It's a slightly posh way of saying different layers. So in geology, you can look at the different layers, the different strata, and work out the age of something, or work out how the geology has been taking place. Okay, so we have a stratum, the layers in which something is separated into. Okay, so layers of rock or layers of soil. So if you dig down into the earth, first of all you have the topsoil, and then maybe you have clay or something like that, which is the next strata, and then the substrata or the substratum to that is maybe the bedrock. Okay, so a stratum is a layer. We can also have the verb to stratify or stratification, the noun of the quality. So very often we use this word stratum to talk about the different levels of society. It's talking about maybe the hierarchy within a society. So if a society begins to stratify, it separates into different social groups or different social classes, some being more important than others. Okay, so a stratum, a class, a group, a level. So very often change affects most seriously the poorest stratum of society. Yeah, the poorest level, the poorest group. And clearly the highest stratum in society are the nobles and the very rich. Okay, so a stratum, a flat layer. Yeah, remember, a stratum, two strata, not a strata. And you will hear native speakers making that mistake as well. Okay, so the stratification of things, the separation into different groups. If you're an archaeologist, for example, you will find different strata, different layers, and this is a way to identify the age of something. Also, maybe you could think about the stratosphere. These are the different layers of the atmosphere. Yeah, you have the troposphere. And okay, so the sky is separated into different strata. Okay, so the strata, normally companies are stratified as well. They are separated into different hierarchies, the different divisions or levels of an organized system. Okay, so a stratum, yeah. I think with this word, one stratum, two strata, and just use those. Okay, so if you are a very good writer or a good poet, then when you write, there are various different strata of meaning to what you have written. There's the plain, clear, obvious meaning, and then maybe there are various metaphors or allusions to various different things underneath. But I think we use this word strata or stratum particularly to talk about the different levels of society, the different positions or the different levels of importance within an organisation. So, stratum, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere, but it's a little bit on the formal side. And then, as to origin, it comes from Latin. A bedspread, it's something to cover a bed with. It's a layer on top of the bed. It comes from the verb sterno, to spread out, and clearly the different strata spread out. They spread out over a layer. So strata, one stratum on top of another, on top of another, on top of another. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stratum, singular. Strata, plural.